Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Safety Jack, Zoobomb Rockstar on the Tacoma Sound and Narrows, and right now I am approaching the finish line after running 8 miles and going down on the 5-mile drive at the Point Defiance. Woo! Great job, guys. Here we go. We're just about a few more blocks away from the finish line. Hey, guys. Woo. Yeah. Yeah. Woo. Here we go. Right, almost back to where we started from. Woo! Yeah. Oh. We're almost there. Just a few more feet away. Yeah!
Yeah!
Woo-hoo-hoo!
Yeah, he did it! He did it!
I'm doing it! I'm doing it! I keep going! Can't stop! Oh! Here we go! Smile! We... Yeah. Yes, sir. We're almost there. That's right, we're almost there. You know it. There's only a few more feet. Oh, you can feel that finish line. Good. Yeah! Yes! Oh my God! Yeah! Here we go! This is it! That is the finish line! Hey, we did it! Woo! Thank you! Oh, right on! Well, as this is Safety Jack here, oh man, that was a hell of a run. All the way down there from the 5-mile drive, all the way back. I didn't think I'd make it. Woo! Yeah! So anyways, I'll wrap up this video. So anyways, like, subscribe, comment. I'll have more to come. More videos ahead. Stay tuned for next week. I'll probably post some Battlepalooza biking events when I get back to Portland. But for right now, as this is Safety Jack, did the 2015 Sound and Narrows. And so, anyways, that will be it. Over now.